Here is how to download a transaction statement in Wise step by step. Start by logging into your Wise account, enter your account credentials, and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you are signed in, look for the balance or currency account that matches the statement you want to download. Wise separates activity by balance, so make sure you open the correct one before moving on. With that balance open, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small menu with more account options. From that menu, select Statements and Reports. On the next screen, click Statements to move into the section where downloadable account statements are created. Now select Create a Statement. This opens the Statement Setup view where you can decide exactly what to include in the file. The first choice is the statement period. You can use one of the preset date ranges if it matches what you need, or you can enter a custom start date and end date. If you are creating a statement for a specific month, quarter, or any other exact period, check the dates carefully before continuing. Next, select the currency to include in the statement. This matters if your Wise account holds more than one currency, or if you want the report tied to a specific balance. Pick the currency that matches the account activity you need to export. After that, choose the file format for the statement. Wise may offer options such as PDF, XLSX for Excel, or CSV. Select the format that fits how you plan to use the file. PDF is usually suited for viewing or sharing as a document, while XLSX and CSV are more suited for reviewing transactions in spreadsheet form. Once those details are set, click Generate. Wise will begin creating the transaction statement based on the date range, currency, and format you selected. Depending on the amount of activity in the account and the type of file, it may take a moment for the statement to finish processing. When the statement is ready, download it to your device. Save it somewhere you can find it later, especially if you need it for records, accounting, or a transfer history review. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose the location you prefer and confirm the download. At this point, the transaction statement has been created from the selected Wise balance and saved in the file format you chose. Your Wise transaction statement is now downloaded to your device.